Atenção! O curta-metragem a seguir foi gerado 100% por inteligência artificial.
Mom, Dad, I'm sorry I didn't come home after school. Something came up. I promise I'll be home as soon as I can. I gotta go by and get Riley and Cody, and I promise I'll be right home.
We are advising, for the public safety, everyone please remain indoors until further notice.
You don't know what we're dealing with. You don't know the severity of what's happening.
We just please advise you to stay indoors until further notice. No further questions, please.
What do they want from us?
I don't think these things are here to be our friends. I think that they're here to take back their world.